the charging capacity of Nintendo's classic mini consoles cannot be overstated. Even after resupplying the original limited supply of NES Classic Edition this year, the company has barely been able to meet the demand for NES and SNES flavored syncs in the nostalgia group, in the West or elsewhere. But if you thought that those systems were limited and coveted enough, you cannot see anything. This week, Nintendo went further by launching a new and special color game version of one of these systems, designed and marketed specifically for fans of the Japanese manga series Shonen Jump such as Dragon Ball, Captain Tsubasa and Fist of the North Star. Shortly before Amazon Japan sold its allocation on Sunday morning, we cancelled $87 USD and placed an order to see what the 50th anniversary of the Shonen Jump Famicom Classic Mini was about. We quickly learned that this official Nintendo product is far from being a slapdash version with a painted logo. The latest classic Nintendo product, announced in May of this year, marks the anniversary milestone of Manga magazine in several notable ways. The most important thing is that your emulated ROM library is completely different from the original Mini Famicom or the classic NES, whose game libraries were overlapping mainly. Instead of 30 international hits like Super Mario Bros.,